Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosie, and this right here is my second round giveaway to one of you guys on this coming holiday Christmas. So on this video, I'll be showing you how I've built this Fox fireplace and also this gorgeous wall mirror together with the accessories so that you can use the same technique to make one for your home and make your sitting room look more cozy and expensive on this holiday season without spending too much money, or you can simply win and take this one to your home. So on this video, I'll also be telling you everything that you need to know in order to be a winner of this item right here. And on the 23rd of November, which is going to be on Tuesday, me and Pluto will be back to announce and give away the sculpture for lamp to the winners. So guys, please stay tuned. And I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who participated on this challenge. I truly appreciate from the heart. Thank you all so much. It means a lot to me. So without any further ado, let's get back to this video. So guys, I'll start the project from the mirror. I have a piece of plywood here which measures 1.5 meters by 70 centimeters. So before I start the work, I'll have to put the rope for hanging, because once I attach the mirror, it will be too tricky to drill the wood. And guys, when you tie the rope, you need to make sure that it's very, very tight and secure to hold all the weights of the mirror. So now I'm applying paint on the back of the wood, because as you can see, it has stains and some marks. And I want to make sure it will look more presentable by the time I'm done with it. And here's my mirror. Just before I attach it to the wood, I want to see it's going to be exactly at the center, so that I'll use my ruler as a guide and make some lines. And guys, this is another trick that I would like to share with you. Whenever I work on mirrors, this is the technique I normally use. So newspaper and ponol glue, guys. Whenever I attach mirror to any kind of surface, I just apply ponol glue and use newspaper as a medium. It does wonders, guys. Highly effective and less costly. And here I want to use a manila paper to make a stencil for the design I want to put on my mirrors. And the paper is not long enough as I want it to be, so I'll just cut two pieces and join them together. And after, I'll cut the paper with the size of the plywood. I'll fold that into four and draw the shape I want and cut it out using pair of scissors. And here's my stencil, so I'll go ahead and draw the shape on a piece of a cardboard. The good thing of using this method is that you will have a guarantee that all of the pieces you'll make will be identical. And as you can see, I made two and I'm going to stick them together using contact glue just to add an extra strength for the frame that I'm about to build. Now I'm going to use a sticker to cover my cardboard. I selected a silver sticker because my fireplace is going to be theme of gray. So once I attach the stickers, I will cut out the extra parts, the ones that are above the curves. And the lower part, I'm going to leave it as it is so that later on, I will tuck it in behind the plywood. So my designs are ready and I'll use a contact glue and a glue gun together to attach them on the wood. So this is how they look like, and now I'm going to use another cardboard to cover them on top. So this cardboard is the one they normally use when it comes to making bags and shoes. I selected it because it can make a smooth curve as compared to the other cardboards. But it's not strong enough though, so I'll cut two and stick them together with ponal glue just to make them a little bit more firm. And now I will attach them to my design following the curves of my cardboards. And now I'll draw some borders to my frame, and the rest of the parts I'll texture it using rice. So guys, here I didn't show this procedure because I've already done a video that shows how to make texture using rice. So I'll put the link on the description box just in case if you want to watch it. And here are my mirrors. I went to a glass store and bought some mirrors, and we sliced them to fit into my border lines of the frame. And I do hope they will fit perfectly, so let's see. And for the wavy lines, we had to cut the mirrors into small tiny pieces so that they will create a smooth line. And the same technique as I've used for the main mirror, newspaper and a panel glue. So let's see how it will go. And here it is, guys, just to give you a glimpse before we hang it on the wall. So the second project is the fireplace. And for this project, I'm still using a cardboard. I want to make the fireplace a bit thinner so that it will stand too close to the wall and look like it's a built-in. And the most exciting part of this Fox fireplace, it's easily portable. You can build one on a budget, and once you install it in your living room, it has that breathtaking view. So I cut out 4 pieces, each with a thickness of 20 centimeters, and I'm going to join them together to form the sides of the fireplace. And this is the front part of the fireplace. So I'll attach it using a sellotape, and I'll do the same for the back as well. And here I will use another pieces of cardboards to cover the inside parts. And now it's time to build the stands, and this is how it went down. So guys, like I've said in the beginning of this video, this is my second giveaway, which is going to happen next month, 23rd of December. And for sure, one person will have a delightful Christmas this year. Once again, I would like to say thank you to everyone who participated on the previous giveaway, which was the sculpture floor lamp. Me and Pluto will announce the winner on the 23rd of this month, November. I'll continuously give away free offers on the 23rd of each and every month. So, guys, stay connected, subscribe, turn on the notification button so that every time I post a new video, you'll be the first one to see. So, guys, I'll be telling you just in a while everything that you need to know in order to be a winner of this Fox Fireplace. So, stick around till the end of this video. So I connected the fireplace to the stand using screws and seal all the edges as the way I did for the stand for the sculpture for lamp. And now I'm going to draw lines to separate the places where I'm going to texture and the place for the mirrors. So I selected this design from Pinterest. So if you want to make a different design, there are variety on Pinterest. So you can just pick whatever that can work for you best. And this is how the texture looks like, and the open parts are for the mirrors. But now I want to paint the insides of the fireplace with a black paint to make it look more realistic. And here it is, guys. It's shiny because the paint is still wet, but once it's dry, it will blend very well. And here are my sliced mirrors. Let me put them like this so that you'll have an idea of how it's going to look like. And the third project is the flower vase. And to make this, I cut 4 rectangular shaped cardboards and I'm going to join them together to form a box-like structure. And I've used this piece of cardboard to cover it on one side so that it will hold a flower. And now I'm going to cover it with a silver glitter paper. This is actually what they use to print on fabric, but now I'm going to use it to make a flower vase out of it. So let's see how it's going to turn out. And I've also used the remaining silver sticker to cover the inside of the cardboards to make it look more presentable. And finally, I cut out a small piece of cardboard like this one, and I covered it with a sticker and used it to decorate and to add some glam to my vase. And this is how the vase look like. It was done so easily and it looks expensive. Now I can't wait to put everything at one. And here we are, guys. Our Christmas cardboard fireplace. I just can't believe the way it came out. This is just beyond gorgeous, guys. So guys, if you love what you see and want to try it out for yourself, I'll truly appreciate if you let me know how it went, or if you want to participate on this challenge and win this item, then here is the deal. All you have to do is to share the link of this video to as many people as you can through WhatsApp and leave me a comment and tell me to how many people that you have shared. Guys, this time round, the winner is going to be the person who shared the link of this video to the highest number of people through WhatsApp. And please only write the exact number that you have shared with, guys. If you tell me 1000, I will ask you to open your WhatsApp and I will count 1 to 1000. So there's no cheating, guys. So if it's not matching, I will just give it away to the second winner, just like that. Simply just share, share, and share as you're picturing how this Fox fireplace and this gorgeous wall mirror will turn out in the middle of your sitting room. Who knows, guys? This Christmas, you might end up being the owner of this amazing decor item. And for the most important safety precautions, guys, please do not leave candles on this fireplace. You saw how we built it. It was made out of cardboard and it can be extremely dangerous to leave candles on this place. You can also use a metallic tray to display the candles. So just in case if you forget, at least you'll be on the safe side. Thank you so much, guys, for making it till the end of this video. Don't forget to share and also subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. you.